Sneaker World Internets, this is a drip projector with a flavor selective and always with that Southern South Carolina perspective. Today, we got a purple box Nike SB release, a Air Force One SB at that. As you can see, the size tag, 9.5. Yes, sir. I've been patiently waiting for these right here. Let's get into it. Bro, these are the chocolate and black, or what we would just call the brown and black SB Air Force One. So it is a SB combined with Air Force One, made for skateboarding for those that do not know. Now, y'all, when I first seen these, it was actually on the feet of the skaters from the Nike SB team on the Crease tour. You know, I was outside with the Blue Tile homies, and I was just catching glimpses because the skate team is wearing pairs way before they released. So they had the brown and black, a blue and black, and one person had on the wheat pair. So I want to say every Nike SB Air Force One that dropped, I got them. Except for that friends and family pair. Shouts to David Blue Tile. He got those. You know, hey, we can't touch them. But all the general release pairs I got. And that Utah Air Force One, we need those. So stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? Whenever that come out, your boy's going to double back like a deluxe with some love and get those. But, this brown and black pair is serious, y'all. And honestly, just the simpleness of the colorway and the materials, it reminded me of something that probably would have came out in '03. You know what I'm saying? I have a love-hate relationship with Air Force Ones because this was literally our back-to-school shoe ever since 6th grade. So every year you knew you was getting you an Air Force Ones, probably the low top, white on whites, you know what I'm saying? It was something special about that high top with the scrap in the back. If you know, you know. If you was around and you already know how I'm putting it down. But y'all, this super clean, simplistic colorway. And then that back tab with that Nike SB on there is oh so sweet. And honestly, if this would have came out when I was in high school, we would have did a full court press for this. Like a fat tongue on an Air Force One is way more comfortable than traditional Air Force Ones. And Nike SB did not waste any material. When I tell you quality control is there and the material is just buttery, y'all. I absolutely love these. This is still for a deal for real. I want to say retail is $120. It's worth every dollar. Very simple colorway, but this is going to go with everything you want to wear, especially for fall, winter. Now, you know me, I'm just going to keep it real light, go bait with it, you know what I'm saying? Of course, we can go Supreme. If you don't know what to match, like my homie said, just wear all black, y'all. These are super clean. I also like the laces that they chose for these Air Force Ones SBs. They're kind of round, but it's something different about it. I can't quite put my finger on it. The silver Dubray just takes us back in the day, like that '01 era when it had that silver Dubray, but this one actually has SB1 on it. Y'all, these are super clean. I really don't have to do too much talking because the shoe do it for itself. Y'all, these is one of the ones I highly suggest if you have the means to get them. Head down to your local skate shop. I got my pair from Blue Tile. Y'all already know that's the home team, y'all. So stay tuned and check out my YouTube shorts as well. You already know I'll be giving a little bit more updates on the YouTube shorts, but we got to get it back in rotation with the long form content. Y'all, make sure you like, comment, and hit the hype button too. And so until the next sneaker pickup, peace and love, y'all.